In order to use Samsung DeX wirelessly on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, both on your S25 Ultra and the other device that you are trying to connect to. After that, you can go to the settings, then choose connected devices, and here you can choose Samsung DeX. Now here, if you want to do this wirelessly, you need to simply press Start DeX. If you see this information where you need to allow access to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices, then we need to press Allow. And after that, you should open the list of devices that are connected nearby. And this might take several seconds, up to even several minutes to detect the device to connect to. So you might want to either be patient or sometimes go back and return to that menu in order to try to find the compatible display. And then you should be able to select it. Once you detect your device, you want to select it here and then proceed with eventual instructions that might be visible on the screen, either on your phone or on the other device. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!